little artists. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw and color a beautiful house with a tree and some lovely bushes and flowers. Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's start with a black marker. We'll begin by drawing the roof. It's a triangle on top of the house. Now, let's draw the walls below the roof. Connect them with straight lines to form the house structure. Next, let's add a door in the middle of the front wall. It's a rectangle. In front of the door, we'll draw a little step. It's a small rectangle just under the door. Draw some bushes beside the step to make it look cozy and green. Now, let's add windows. Draw one window on the side wall and another one on top of the door. Make them rectangles with rounded edges.
La da 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 dee.
Let's draw a tree beside the house. Start with the trunk and then add some fluffy, leafy shapes for the top. Add more bushes around the house to make it look lively.
La da 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 dee.
On both sides of the door, let's draw some flower trees. Add little stems and colorful flowers. Time to decorate. Draw some bricks on the walls using small rectangles. Add some curved lines on the roof to make it stylish. Wow, our house is coming together so well.
La da 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 dee.
Let's make everything bold and sharp with the black marker to make it pop. Nice job, everyone!
Yay!
It's coloring time. Show your color pens and let's make this house vibrant and colorful. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Pink color. Brown color.
La da 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 dee.
Fantastic job, everyone! Your house looks amazing. Thank you for drawing and coloring with us at Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to share your artwork with your family and friends. See you next time for more fun art projects.
Yay!
Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.